Welcome to the tutorial. Today we're going to locate the LocalPlayer and the entity list, then build a custom GUI entity tracker and a KillAura. Sorry for the delay on part 2 of the internal client series. I'm currently rewriting the project to make it cleaner, more modern and easier to maintain. First, make sure you have Cheat Engine installed. You can download it directly from their official website. Once installed, open both Minecraft and Cheat Engine. Resize them to fit side by side on your screen so you can follow along easily. Attach Cheat Engine to Minecraft. Next, go to Edit, Settings, Hotkeys, and set the shortcut for pause the selected process to F7. In Cheat Engine, ensure the right able option is set to gray, set scan type to unknown initial value, and value type to byte. Then click first or scan. Switch back to Minecraft, start swinging in the air, and press F7 mid-swing to pause the game. In Cheat Engine, scan for value 1. On pause left F7, stop swinging and scan for value 0. Repeat this process including a few unchanged value scans until you are left with a small list of addresses. Once you isolate the swing animation address, right-click it and select Find out what corresponds to this address. To open the debugger, switch back to the game, start the swinging again, and select the instruction in the debugger with the highest count. Set a breakpoint on this instruction. As soon as you swing in game, the game will freeze. This is normal. In the memory viewer, look at the panel on the right. Click the RCX register to copy the LocalPlayer address. Then remove the breakpoint and unfreeze the game. Add the address to your list. Select it, then press Ctrl P, Ctrl G, and Ctrl N, followed by Enter to open the structure window. Expand the LocalPlayer's vtable. Offset C0 is the normalTick virtual function which we'll use in our KillAura to safely fetch world entities without crashing. Double-click its address to copy it. Open the memory viewer. Right-click anywhere to open the Go to Address menu. Paste the address and click OK. This brings us to the normalTick. Now press Ctrl A, then Ctrl Shift A to update my custom hook script. Replace the existing signature with the new one we just found. You can leave these function arguments as they are since they rarely change. Make sure to update this second signature as well. This is just a quick helper script I made. You can ignore it for now. Now let me show you how to make the entity tracker in Lua. These offsets are placeholders for now, but I'll show you how to find them yourself. Add this script to your list. Navigate to LocalPlayer. And look for offset 1d8. The level class. Expand it and scroll down to the A28. That is the runtime actor list, the entity list. Also, if you want to find a virtual function index, open your calculator app in programmer mode. Switch to hex, type in the offset, divide it by 8, and switch to this. That gives you the index of the function in the vtable. Next, we will need the state vector component, offset for position and velocity, the AABB component, offset for the hitbox, and the identifier offset to filter between players and mobs. Now copy the global hitbox variables and add them to your cheat list manually so we can adjust entity hitboxes dynamically. Enable the hook script, the bridge, and the entity tracker. You'll see clean GUI displaying each entity's name, address, hitbox, position, and velocity. Let's change their hitbox size to 6. Works nicely, and yes, this works on multiplayer servers as well. Now let's set up the KillAura script. Update the offset just like before, plus the game mode offset from LocalPlayer. We'll also add configurable options so you can fine-tune the settings. Okay, let's test it out. The KillAura is working perfectly. You can adjust the attack speed and reach distance. Let's jump onto a server real quick. Awesome, it detects online players seamlessly. This should work on any server. And that wraps up today's tutorial. As promised, we covered finding the local player, extracting the entity list, and creating both an entity tracker and a KillAura. Since I have shown you where all these locations are, updating them for future game versions is up to you. If you're lazy and want to download the cheat table, make sure to join my Discord server. The link is down in the description. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching, and I see you next time.